Hi, I'm Rabbi Melinda Bernstein. Thanks for watching my video. I'm here at the heart of South Beach, which is where I was born. I'd love a chance to talk with you about your upcoming wedding ceremony. Why? Because I'm in love with love. And since you're in love and planning a wedding ceremony, then I may be the perfect wedding officiant for you. As a wedding officiant and a free-flowing rabbi, my purpose is to bring out and embrace the uniqueness of the love you've created and customize a wedding ceremony that speaks to both of your hearts, that you desire and deserve the very best. You deserve a ceremony that speaks for both of you, individually and as a couple who has chosen the ultimate commitment to each other, marriage forever. Your wedding day is one of the most memorable days of your lives, and I promise to bring out the love affair that you are having with depth, beauty, and joyful celebration in your wedding ceremony. I look forward to speaking with you about your wedding ceremony, and until then, I offer you this blessing of deep peace, joy, and love each and every day of your lives together. You can find me on the internet at melindabernstein.com or southfloridaofficiants.com, or give me a call, 954-901-1355. Peace and love, and thanks for watching. I'm Rabbi Melinda.